my first job, I was 15. I started as a dishwasher at a little mom and pop place. And from there, I kind of worked my way up to actually cooking food. And then I was just kind of hooked. You know, I went from there to several other places while I was a kid, and growing up through high school and throughout. And then, you know, one day I finally decided to kind of be a little more professional at and attend culinary school. And that's kind of how I got to where I am today. One thing that's different with us and other Brazilian steakhouses is our quality of meat. I mean, it's certified Black Angus. It's a upper 2/3 choice, so it's really a really great quality meat that we use here. The flavor profile is way different. You know, the lump charcoal gives it a great flavor. It's nice, smoky. You really can't get that with a gas oven or broiler. We use a smoked rock salt, and you know, kind of what that does, besides, you know, impart a great flavor, it actually sears the meat, sears the juices in, so you're really getting a great, you know, piece of meat. It really has a chance to carry the flavor of the charcoal. You know, the roasting process, the meat stays juicy. I really like the atmosphere. I love to make people happy. I think I've always kind of been drawn to you know, making people happy with cooking. It's one of the best feelings in the world for me. I just want to, you know, keep this place moving forward for as long as we can. And I think it's headed in a great direction.